Hello everyone, myself Alan, and today in this video, I'm going to share a recruitment dashboard tracker which takes the data and then provide us the count and the tracker of the offers and uh, the level of interviews for different types of candidates that we regularly hire. So this is our dashboard, and here uh, we have a drop down where we have the countries. So before going into details, let me show you the hiring data. So this is the data we have in the hiring data sheet, which is the normal data that we derive from our candidates. And from this data, we have developed a dashboard in which we have different perspective. So I have used DVA and formulas to develop this dashboard tracker. So here, if you can see here, we have the option available for select country. So if I choose Ukraine, then this dashboard will get updated accordingly for the Ukraine candidates. Then the recruiter, there is a tab here in the drop down which says the recruiter. So in all, we are showing this dashboard recruiter wise. So currently I have two recruiters, and the data which we can show here is, let's say I selected Tanya. So Tanya has hired the junior candidates for L1 rejects, L2 rejects, and L3 rejects. So this is the count of the recruiter that has hired the data, hired the candidates. So we have category, which is junior, mid-level, and senior. And here we are having the offers and number of offers, and then offers decline. For each and every level of the category that we are representing here. Then if I select other recruiter, then this data will refresh accordingly. And similarly, if I want to see how many recruiters, I mean all for all, then I can select all for Ukraine, then our data will refresh accordingly. So this dashboard basically provide us the summary for the candidates that been hired till the different backgrounds, and it also tracks the number of offers sent, offers have been received and declined, and the dropouts through the various stages from this hiring data. This is the recruitment data. So here we have used slicers, so we can enter the data, and we can see, we can check here also for our data. Like say we want to choose the L1 interview, we can select L1 in the slicer, and then the role. So if I choose full stack, then this role wise all full stack data will be represented and filtered accordingly. If I choose mid-level, and so on. So these all are the slicers that we have placed here. And we have another dashboard which provides us the tracking of country-wise status. This is our country-wise status for all the levels, just as junior, mid, and senior. Again, this is the country-wise, role-wise status for front end, full stack, different engineers that we hired. And again, this is the third dashboard, which we are showing as level-wise. And these are the graphs that have been created using the data from this one. So if you like this video and if you want to have this dashboard to be created with your own data, so I can share my number and you can create a project or something we can create through freelancer. I'm available on freelancer and upwork. In the description part of my video, I will show my profile IDs. So if you need some customizations, or if you need to develop the recruitment dashboard, you can contact me and we can start work according to your requirements. Maybe in your case, some different strategy may be taken, but the logic will be same. So I hope you find this video as a useful, and thanks for your time and have a good day. Take care. Bye-bye.